yung mga sagot nila. The winner doesn't only get, okay, yung prize. The winner will get, wow, Nadine's approval, of course. Second, a signed copy of Nadine's and James' album.
Naman! Pwede ba? Ay, hindi.
Nahihihi kami mamaya. Mamaya, meron daw tayo.
Nag-away ako.
And 500 pesos worth of Jollibee gift certificate. Ano ba ka-date niyo si Nadine doon? Doon sila kakain.
Yun, syempre. What a best ever date.
Right. Okay, so I have here, we have them already. Are they finished? Nasaan na ba yun sila? Okay.
Ako, nandiyan na.
Nakakonceal na.
Nandiyan na.
Nakatago. We have searchy number 1, searchy number 2, and searchy number 3.
Hindi ba nakikita, Hindi ba nakikita ni Nadine, Baka sabihin nila
1, 2, and 3 ba?
Baka sabihin nila, scripted, nakita na, backstage. Iba, surprise to, surprise.
Siguro mag-hi lang. Boses lang muna marinig natin. Searchy number 1, kamusta ka dyan?
Hello. Okay naman.
Parang dumatugong-dong yung area kung nasan si Searchy number 1. Searchy number 2, how are you?
I'm good.
Chill.
Wait, hindi mo si Dracula yun.
Relax.
Dahil ang boses.
Pero yan, confidence.
Yeah. And Searchy number 3, kamusta?
I'm good. Men of few words.
Short lang. Short and sweet. Okay. Sige. Boom! Kayo na ni Nadine ang magtanong. Dito na ako sa kabila.
Sige. So, Nadine, what do you want to find out from our searchies here? Sige.
Okay, well, sige. Una-muna, if we were to go out on a date,
Ako, swerte mo naman.
you agad,
Sorry.
if, where would you take me?
Okay. Kung lalabas daw kayo on a date, where would you take Nadine? Searching number 1.
First, daling ko muna siya sa restaurant.
Restaurant. Anong klaseng restaurant niya?
Fine dining.
Fine dining. Anong cuisine?
Anything. Siguro, doon na lang.
Bahala na.
Okay. Fine dining. Si Searching number 1. Searching number 2.
Experiment,
Wait lang, dapat may why.
Okay,
Why?
Why?
Kasi doon ko din makikilala yung taste ano yung gusto niya. Pero hindi ko pa halata siya.
Parang trial and error. Baka magustuhan mo dito, baka magustuhan mo doon. Ibig sabihin, multiple dates na okay lang. Madami na. Okay. Sige. Searching number 2. Where and why?
Dadalhin ko siya sa Jollibee.
Super modulated ang mama.
Kasi alam kong favorite na yan.
Ah.
Kakain kami ng cheesy bacon mushroom.
Yo! Hashtag.
Hashtag, don't forget
CB and Beyond Moments.
Yes, and JD for Jollibee. Searching number 3, saan and why?
I'll take care of home.
Ay!
Si Daddy.
Tumayo si Boom eh.
Si Daddy nandyan eh.
Nagkagulatan.
Oo baka magalit si Daddy.
Saan home? Home niya?
Yeah.
Home.
My home.
Ano po? His house.
Okay.
Okay.
Why?
Because if you're going to date Nadine, she's somebody to be proud of to your family.
Yung tipong inuuwi at pinapakilala kay Mommy at Daddy.
Yan pala yung bawi, no?
Yun ang punto niya.
And I know her favorite. It's salmon sashimi.
Yun!
Pagluluto pa.
Good save, ha? Good save.
Good one.
Okay.
Alright,
Sige,
so that's
Nadine.
question number 1.
Okay, question number 2. What will you give me as a first gift?
Yan. Searching number 1. First gift for Nadine.
Flowers. A bouquet.
Okay.
What kind of flowers?
Tulips.
Tulips.
Grabe ako magtanong, no?
Tama lang yan.
Okay.
Best ever date ang hinahanap ko.
Yes.
Tulips on your first date.
Okay.
Searching number 2. Anong regalo?
Flowers, cheesy bacon mushroom.
Sabi niya, paborito ni Nadine.
Oo.
Siya yata paborito rin niya kasi. Oo.
Searching number 3, anong gift?
I'll give her myself.
Bahay na, and myself.
Oo.
Yourself! Bakit yourself? Why?
I think it is better for you to appreciate me better than anything that I can do.
Searching number 3. Siyempre, ano yung sabihin niya dun sa I give myself, I give my time, effort, all my love.
Get to know me personally.
Yes.
Kaya pinapawisan si Nadine eh.
Or ikaw?
Kaya wala.
Okay, so okay tayo sa question number 2, Nadine?
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
switch ka naman. Searching number 3 naman tayo.
Sisimulan natin ngayon kay searching number 3, ha?
Okay. Question number 3. How will you make a date extra special?
I think you could only make a date extra special when you have offered something very memorable that you would keep for your entire life. And that something extra memorable I would give to you to make a very special date is, I think, a chick kiss.
You know?
Cheek kiss.
Cheek.
Oo.
Beso.
Special. Something to remember.
Very personal.
Ah.
Searching number 3 yun, ano?
Oo. Sa searching number 3, hindi kasi ito masyado bumibeso.
Oo.
Pinipili lang niya ang binibeso.
Nagmukha nga. At sa bahay.
Kaya,
Okay.
special yun.
Oh, sige.
Okay, searching number 2. How would you make that day memorable?
Extra special.
Extra special.
Jollibee. Jollibee.
Naiintindihan ko naman sa number 2 kasi diba, make moments extra special. Diba? So, nag-gets ko naman siya. Kasi special kasi.
Sa kanya, talaga eh.
Yes.
Jollibee is
You're special kasi.
extra special.
Okay, and searching number 1.
Well, for me, actually dating Nadine is already extra special. Kasi, dating a girl like her gives makes another special moment.
That in itself
In itself.
is special.
Kasama lang natin dito, it's already special.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay,
Right.
that's question number 3, was it?
3.
Okay.
Yes.
Meron pa?
Yes. Yeah, 5. Number 4. Question number 4. Ito. If there's one song to describe yourself, what will it be?
Gusto ko ba na din kakantahin din nila?
Yes.
Ako!
Oh, and why?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll start with and why.
We'll start with searching number 3. 3 pa din. So, what song? Sing a little and tell us why.
Treasure by Bruno Mars.
Treasure by
Treasure. May sample ba dyan?
Chorus or
Sige, go.
chorus.
Chorus.
Sige lang.
Treasure,
Aha.
that is what you are. My favorite star. You can make my wish come true. Let me treasure you.
Wow.
Nahiya pa siya na. Nahiya pa siya na.
Yan ang song mo for Nadine.
Of course, it is written in the song. She's very special, so I think it's treasure.
Right. Precious treasure. Searching number 2. Maisip siya.
Ito, malamig ang boses eh.
Ano to, mga ballad to?
Tingnan natin, May saluhong ko to.
Tignan natin.
O kinakantahan ka ba ni Nadine? Grabe.
Searching number 2, are you ready?
Wala akong maisip. Jollibee daw.
Okay, sige, your rendition ng jingle ng Jollibee. Marinig na?
Si Jollibee, tila ang
Pero yung rendition niya medyo sexy na. Malalim kasi yung boses.
Medyo pang ballad yung boses.
Alam mo, hindi man siya hindi siya mapili ni Nadine, endorser na yun sigurado.
Baka yung next na TPC,
Siya na.
siya ang kakanta.
Sigurado. Okay.
Answer sheet number 1.
I'm yours. With Jason Mraz. Yeah, of course. Oh, I won't hesitate. It cannot wait. I know it's just a need to come the king. Our time is short. This is a fate. I'm yours.
Sabay ni Tini.
Si Sir Shi number 1 din, habang kumakanta, kinikilig din siya sa sarili niya.
Grabe kayo. Hindi pa kayo kikita niyan.
Okay, one last question.
One last question. Ito na.
Ito na ang last question. Question number 5. Why should I choose you?
Ay.
Yabangan na to.
Why should I choose you? Nadine, okay lang start tayo ulit with search number 3.
Okay.
Number 3.
Why should you choose me first? Can I give 3 reasons?
3 reasons.
First reason is, I'm a person with delicacy and I give time to everything that I want.
Gusto ko yan.
Why would I be here? Why would I be here if Nadine is not as special for me? And second, also Gigi. Second, because just think that.
Sana lang
Yan,
ito. Nagbago yung isip niya.
At saka good enough din. Gusto nga ni Nadine sabi niya. She likes the answer.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Search number 2.
2.
You should choose me because I will make you happy. I will give you cheesy bacon mashed
Yeah.
for the rest of your life.
Consistent.
Please.
Consistent siya.
I'll give you
Talaga yung gusto niya.
From question number 1 to question number 5, lahat yun.
Pati yung kanta.
Ginawa niya ng paraan.
Para.
Yeah. Thank you. And search number 1.
And, well, you should choose me kasi I'm a guy na, you won't feel awkward once you meet me. And, as in, sa unang pagkikita natin, sa magiging date natin, parang, you feel na parang magkakilala tayo matagal na, parang barkada.
Komportable.
Relax ka. Casual.
And she can be herself.
Yes.
Right. Okay. We're good.
Happy ka sa mga sagot? Very happy. Okay.
Alam mo, iba-iba talaga yung personalities nila eh.
Tama.
You'll see talaga.
So ngayon, ano ba naiisip mo ngayon?
Meron namang may decision na ba?
Ano ba? Mahirap ba? Ano ba?
Pag-isipan ko muna.
Sige.
Okay, palagpakin muna natin our searchies.
Bigyan mo na.
Mamaya na yung names. Iwanan ko muna sila dyan. Kasi alam mo kung ako din, mahihirapan ako mamili kung sino ba sa kanila.
Yes.
Hindi mag-isip-isip ka muna dyan. Relax ka lang.
Okay, while we're waiting for Nadine and her decision, na maya-maya malalaman din natin, first, we are going to give away prizes.
Mamigay mo na tayo. Raffle. Now, marami. Mapapakita natin.